We'll guide you through how to use the DaVinci Resolve Effects Pack to enhance your video projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once you're in the project you want to work on, go to the Effects Library panel on the left side of the screen. Here, you will find a wide range of effects categorized into different sections like Open FX, Titles, and Generators. To apply an effect from the pack, simply drag and drop it onto the clip in your timeline. You can also hover over the effect to see a brief description of what it does. Once the effect is applied, click on the clip in the timeline to open the inspector panel on the top right. This is where you can fine-tune the effect settings to your liking. Adjust parameters such as intensity, color, and speed to achieve the desired look. Remember, you can stack multiple effects by dragging more onto the same clip. If you're not satisfied with an effect, you can easily remove it by selecting it and pressing the Delete key, or by right-clicking and choosing Remove Attributes. For more complex effects, you might need to use keyframes to animate changes over time. To do this, look for the diamond icon next to any attribute in the inspector panel. Clicking it will add a keyframe, and you can adjust these over your timeline to create dynamic effects. If you want to save a particular effect setup for future use, you can turn it into a preset by right-clicking on the effect in the inspector and selecting Create Preset. This saves time when you need to apply the same effect settings to multiple clips. Don't forget to explore the Fusion page if you're interested in creating even more advanced effects. Fusion offers a node-based interface that lets you create custom effects with precision. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.